Which one's that? .1077. 1073. 1069. Oh, 1067. Whatever that 1065 is. 1063. 1061. 1055. 1057.
It's gorgeous. We sat in it.
I think I just missed that one. I think I got that. Yeah, I just got that one.
Online.
It's always 1023 that I miss now. What the heck?
You got it. Con artists are clever, but you can help protect your money by visiting investsmart.nh.gov. A free tool powered by the New Hampshire Bureau of Securities Regulation. Ask questions. That's why smart investors use invest.
That's gonna go off again. Why isn't this going up for HD? What are you doing? There it goes.
Test alert. Test alert.
Emergency Management has activated the New Hampshire Emergency Alert System in order to conduct a required monthly test.
There goes 965.
Test of the New Hampshire Emergency Alert System. Emergency Management has activated the New Hampshire Emergency Alert System in order to conduct a required monthly test.
Cut that one off or not.
Investigating securities involves the risk of loss. From UMA, a cloud-based phone service for any size business with an automated virtual reception.
Alright. I don't know if I heard that one or not. I'll look back at the video. Huh. Right as I stop recording. WINK-FM. Winking at me with a monthly test.
Emergency Management has activated the New Hampshire Emergency Alert System in order to conduct a required monthly test. This concludes this test of the New Hampshire Emergency Alert System.
Good professionalism. Nice.
Good morning, cause of illnesses. Additional
And much of this particular